Today, we're going to talk about how to redeem your Metro Bank credit card points. If you've been using a Metro Bank credit card, you know how quickly those points can add up, and it's time to cash them in for some great rewards. First things first, you'll want to log into your online banking account or the Metro Bank app. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards or Credit Card section. Here, you'll find an option to view your points balance and browse through the available reward options. It might include options like travel vouchers, gift cards, cashback, or even merchandise. When you've found the perfect reward, simply follow the on-screen prompts to redeem your points and claim your reward. Some rewards may be instantly available for use, while others might require a few days for processing, so keep that in mind. Remember, it's important to regularly check for any special promotions or limited time offers that might give you even better value for your points. And that's all there is to it. So, start exploring the amazing rewards that you can get with your Metro Bank credit card points. It's always great to get a little something extra for using your credit card for everyday purchases.